Manufacturing is moving faster than ever. We have material shortages, employment shortages. We have supply chain issues that are staring us in the face every day. So manufacturing today has to find ways to streamline their process, increase the speed of how they operate their work environment. And by doing that, you have to use technology, automation. And one of the themes at IMTS this year will be automation. To be able to have you see the types of technologies that will streamline your business, increase your productivity, and make more profits for you and your families. At IMTS, we'll find ways for us to adapt together.